To Bangalore, India, to speak to a Kenyan who's stuck there. She's actually part of a team of about 50 or 60. Her name is Agnes Kavovi Kiminza. Agnes, thank you so much for speaking with us tonight on Newsnight, and I trust you can hear me loud and clear.
Yes.
Great. I can imagine how difficult it is for you right now, stuck there. Please tell us what the experience is like, and also what took you to India in the first place.
Okay, I came here on medical grounds. I was diagnosed with breast cancer. That is last year, around June, is when I got the fact that I had cancer.
Okay.
And then we came seeking for medical assistance, and we came to an hospital in Bangalore, which is Site Care Hospital for cancer.
Mm-hmm.
That is last year in August.
And you have been there?
So,
go ahead.
I've been there since then.
And
because I came first. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. So I came, and usually you start they have to start with the getting it right, whether it is true you have cancer. So they had to do tests. After tests, now I started treatment. I went through chemo. After chemo, I went through surgery. After surgery, I went through radiation, which actually I completed now early this month. That was on 2nd.
And when you tried to leave India, that was when the sort of ban on most flights, came into effect. Is that correct?
That is quite correct. I booked a return ticket for 7th of April, so there is no way of going back. And now having started being in hospital, painting bills and, hospital bills, huge bills, living in an hotel, it is quite hard.
Tell me this. Yes, and sorry for interrupting. I know you have many Kenyans there. Briefly tell me, what has the experience been like for the whole group, briefly?
Actually, everyone is crying because we do not have funds. We've run out of funds because of the expenditures. And you see, having in mind that you have to travel back on a particular day, the budget you had made, up to 7, I'll be spending this much. So from 7 now, you can imagine we are trying to just live.
Okay. Agnes Kiminza there, who's in Bangalore in India, been there for a couple of months, tried to come back to the country when her treatment was over in early, late March, around mid-March, I believe. And it's been impossible, and now you have to look for funds to take care of yourself while you are there. And she speaks on behalf of many Kenyans. We certainly hope the government is listening to their plea tonight.